Today, I will show you how to take input in Java. Make a class, name it anything. I am naming it input_class_8. Now starting from the starting, I will tell you how to take input from user in Java. First, we will import a pre-written code by writing import java.util.scanner. It contains the code for taking input from user as it pre-written. Now making a class. Naming a class _8_input_how. You can name it anything you want, just remember rules of variables in Java. Now writing a declaring statement, scanner, then obj. Obj is a variable, so name it whatever you want. I used obj. You can name it anything. Then equal new scanner. The scanner is same which was in the import statement. Now, writing a print statement, asking user to input their name. Now we will write string data type, then again a variable name. You can write anything. I have written ABC, then equal the variable name of scanner. For me it was obj, then dot. Then next line. Different data types have different name. For string it's line. At last I have given of others. Now the name which user entered and stored in variable ABC. If we want to print the name entered in ABC, we will write print statement, then write ABC. It will print the name entered in variable ABC. Now we have made the code, now let's check it. Let the name be Sam. We got Sam at print. Let the name be Ram. We got Ram at print.